Hello student, how are you? In the previous video we have discussed the distance and displacement. I think you understand that topic. Now we are going to discuss speed, velocity, uniform speed and non-uniform speed. First we have to understand what is speed. Dear children, you must have heard that Shoaib Akhtar of Pakistan is considered one of the fastest bowler of the world. That means when Shoaib bowls, the time for the ball to reach the batsman is very small. That means the speed of the ball is very high. So, what do you mean by speed? Speed of a body is the distance travelled by the body per unit time. And the formula for the speed is distance divided by time interval. Distance is denoted by S, time is denoted by T, and speed is denoted by V. Therefore, V is equal to S by T. SI unit of speed is meter per second because distance is measured in meter and time is measured in second, and the other units are kilometer per hour, centimeter per second. Now we have to understand what is average speed. The average speed of a body in a given time interval is defined as the total distance travelled divided by time interval. That means average speed is equal to total distance by time interval. And next one is the instantaneous speed. That means speed of a body at a particular instant of time is called instantaneous speed. I think you understand what is speed, what is average speed and what is instantaneous speed. Now we will discuss what is velocity. Speed is related to distance. So, velocity is related to displacement. Velocity of body is its displacement in per unit time. So, the formula of velocity is displacement by time interval. Since displacement is associated with direction and velocity is also associated with direction, and the direction of velocity is the direction of displacement, and the SI unit of velocity is also meter per second and the other units are centimeter per second, kilometer per hour, kilometer per minute also. Now we will compare between speed and velocity. See, is formula of speed is equal to distance by time interval, and formula of velocity is equal to displacement by time interval. In case of speed, direction is not associated, and in case of velocity, direction is associated. So, speed is a scalar quantity and velocity is vector quantity. Speed is always positive, that means it can't be 0 or it can't be negative value, whereas velocity can be positive or negative. Speed, its value cannot be 0 for a moving object, whereas the velocity can be 0 if the initial and final position of the object is same. Then now we will see uniform motion. Motion of an object is said to be uniform if it covers equal distance in equal interval of time. That means in first 5 minutes, if we travel 5 kilometer, and in next 5 minutes we also travel 5 kilometer, and in the next 5 minutes we also cover the 5 kilometer. That means we are traveling in uniform motion. But in real life, objects in uniform motion are rare. Then the next one is non-uniform motion. Motion of an object is said to be non-uniform motion if it covers unequal distance in equal interval of time. See, if we cover 5 kilometer in first 5 minutes and in next 5 minutes we cover 4 kilometer, and if we reaches the crowded area, if we cover only 2 kilometer in 5 minutes, that means we are not moving in non-uniform motion. Now I think you understand the concept of speed, velocity, uniform motion and non-uniform motion. Thank you. Have a nice day.